Welcome back to another Into the Woods grocery haul. So today we're going to do a seafood grocery haul, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting some seafood. Yes, so say what's up to the fam, y'all.
What's up?
What's up?
Hi. Hi.
So the family in the background, I'm about to put this food away, so let's see what we got today. Now the last time we was in our international store, we got the crabs, where we made the live crab video. So if y'all haven't seen that video, after this one, go check that one out. It was hilarious. So today we got some heavy cream, because I'm going to make a cream sauce for the fish that we got. And I wanted to try something new. So we got this crab paste with bean oil. It looks really good and it looks really flavorful. And I'm going to add this to our sauce that we're going to make for the fish. And it's going to be delicious. I hope it's delicious. Okay. So I also got we got some cream cheese. Got to go with the best brand, Philadelphia. We got some jasmine rice. So this rice is so good. So sometimes we switch up our rice. We don't always just eat regular rice. We like jasmine, basmati. So this is one of our favorite brands. It goes good with everything. Mozzarella cheese. You can't have seafood without some lemons. So we got some lemons, some limes. I'm going to add some spinach to the seafood. So I haven't really decided yet. I want to make a stuffing for the seafood. So that's why I got the cream cheese. I got the spinach. I bought some garlic. So this is fresh garlic that's already been peeled. So we're going to put that in the sauce. I love these scallops. So these are some scallops. They're frozen. I'm going to make this creamy seafood sauce with some scallops, some shrimp. And that's going to be the topping over top of the fish. So y'all make sure y'all keep watching. It's going to be good. Okay, so we've been on these noodles. So these are really popular noodles. They're spicy flavored, family packs. A lot of people do the spicy noodle challenge. So we tried these. Last time I bought them, I got them from Walmart. But this time, now that I know that at the international store, we're going to go back for some more. So, and they also had the 2-time spicy noodles. So I know now where to get them. So the next time I go back, I'm going to try the 2-time spicy noodles. And we're going to do that. Orange juice. Only daddy really drinks that. Some oyster sauce. So this is so good. This has become a staple in our house, is this oyster sauce. So when you're making noodles, you're making gravies, you just want to add some extra flavor. Oh my God. Y'all have to try this oyster sauce. So we made this Chinese chicken and broccoli video that I also have up. Go watch that. I added some of that to this, but it's so good. So we found the big bottle, which was the same price as the regular one that we normally get, which was perfect. Daddy in these orange slices. So I was supposed to make this trip to the store by myself, but when he knew that I was going to the international store, he wanted to go. And when I take him, it's like I'm taking one of the kids, because this store, you pick up everything. Everything you see, you want to buy. So he picked up these orange slices. I don't like them. I never have. They're too sugary, but to him, this is one of his favorite candies. He picked up these Hong Kong style buns. Now, y'all, if y'all never tried these are pretty good. So they're like a bun, and then the inside it has some meat filling. So it's with pork. So it's a bun. It's a steamed bun with pork. So steam these in the pot. They're gonna be really good. This is one of his favorite things. So he got 2 packs of those. This one And then he also picked up this red bean paste bun. So this is more like a dessert type bun that he said. So y'all gotta stretch y'all palates. I know you probably never heard of these buns before, but a lot of times if you go out to like your Chinese buffets, they will have these there, and that's how we found out about them. So don't be scared of them right now. I know you may not know what they are, but the next time you go in a buffet, just check. You may see them, and then now you know what I'm talking about. So try those. So we also got the chicken and pork steamed dumplings. We love dumplings, egg rolls, of course, because we made the Philly cheese steak egg rolls and the chicken egg rolls. So these dumplings are just the same. So just get some soy sauce, some sesame oil. That way you can dip the dumplings in the sauce, and they are going to be so good. So you could just fry these in the pan for a second, get that crisp on the outside. Oh man, they are so good. So the kids gonna eat these, and they really like these too. More seafood. So we got some sea bass. This is a black sea bass. So how many pieces is in here? 2 pieces of sea bass. 2 pieces of black sea bass. So that come up to about $10. So I don't know how he's gonna fix these, but this is what he wanted. In the seafood department, they go ahead and clean it for you, butterfly it, however you want it. If you still want the head on, you can keep the head on. If you want to take the head off, you can, you know, take the head off. So pretty much however you want it, they can prep it for you, which is good, because if you're not that type of person who wants to be fooling around with that fish, you don't have to. And I bought these shrimps. So these shrimps are huge, and they still have the head on it. Oh my god, I don't know what I was thinking, but these was like the best shrimp selection that they had. And I may want to put this in the filling that we're gonna make with the fish. So I just went on ahead and got these. This was a pound. This was a pound of shrimp. And then, you know, once they cook, they're going to cook down a little bit. So although they may look real big right now, they're not going to look, you know, they're not going to look too big when I cook them. Okay. So I got some ground pork. Now this international store has a lot. They have a good selection of meat too. And it's real cheap. So this big pack of pork was $4. So you can't beat that. And the selections are good. They're nice and fresh. Got some vegetables. Got some fresh string beans. So the tips off those. Put some garlic, a little bit of oil, salt and pepper. Those are going to be delicious. Not only did we get the black bass, but we also got this red snapper. I take it out the bag, and this thing is huge. This is a big boy. So I had them butterfly it. It's clean. They took the head off. I'm going to stuff it. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that video. Don't miss it. So if you love fish, but you love stuffed fish better, oh my goodness, y'all. Make sure you watch that one. I'm ready to cook. I'm ready to eat. I want to taste some of this seafood. I'm going to put... So we're going to go ahead and put this food away. Thank y'all for watching another grocery haul video. I cannot wait. It's seafood. It's going to be so good, so fresh. Like, share, and subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers. Thank you if you subscribed already. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like and comment.